Hello everyone. Today we are talking about two common ways to work with arrays in JavaScript. One is map and the other one is forEach. Let's see how they differ and when to use each. First, let's use map. Here is an array of products with the prices. We want to apply a discount of 20% to each item. So in this code over here, we are using map. Map is perfect when you want to create a new array based on the original array. Here, we take each product, calculate the discounted price, and return a new object with a discounted price. The result, a brand new array called discounted products, leaving the original array untouched. Now let's run this code. If you look at the output in the console, here you can see an array with a list of objects and it has got discounted price added to it. Now let's do the same thing using a for loop. Here in this code, we manually loop through each product, calculate discounted price, and push a new object into our discounted products array. This works fine, but notice the extra steps: creating array, looping manually, and pushing each item. So, when should you use map versus loop or forEach? Use map when you want to transform an array into a new array. It is concise, readable, and functional. Use forEach or a for loop when you just need to perform an action on each item without creating a new array, like logging values or updating external variables. In our example, map is cleaner and more expressive because we are creating a new array of discounted products.